Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving count of prime numbers till n. So you are given an integer n. You need to find out the number of prime numbers in the range 1 to n inclusive. Return the number of prime numbers in the range. A prime number is a number which has no divisors except 1 and itself. So for example, if the input is 6, from 1 to 6, there are 3 prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. So the output should be 3. So let's solve this problem. So prime up to n. So before writing prime up to n, let's write a method public boolean is prime. First of all, we'll find out if a given number is a prime number or not. Let's not take n, and here there is a typo. Int j. So here we'll be writing the logic to find if a given number is a prime number or not. For that, I would need a counter 0, and I'll start a for loop for int I equals 1, I less than or equal to j, I plus plus. If I find a perfect divisor, if j modulus I is equal to 0, that means it's a perfect divisor of that j. So I will increase the counter count plus plus. After the for loop, if the count is equal to 2, that means it is a prime number, return true. If not, I will return false. It's not a prime number. So now coming back to the original problem, I've written the generic method to find out if a given number is prime or not. So now here I'll keep track of another counter, initialize it to 0, and for int I equals 2. Why 2? Because for a prime number, the divisor should be the number and 1. So we are checking for other numbers. Int I is equal to 2, I less than the input n, also inclusive, so equals I plus plus. We will check if the given number, every number that is going through is a prime number or not. If I is a prime number, then I'll keep track of the counter plus plus. After the for loop is completed, I will return back the counter. That's the answer of all the prime numbers from 1 to 2 to 1 to 6. So let's run this program. There is a typo error somewhere. I'm just checking it. Line number 14, int I equals 1. Not a statement. For int, I haven't written I here. There is a typo. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to j, I plus plus. So let me run it again. Okay, so the test cases have passed. Let me submit the code. So all the 12 test cases have passed. Thank you.